I'm Steve McCainey. I work in maintenance with Florence City Schools. Well, I felt very honored. I was very shocked, and I really appreciated it. It was just one of the things that I do is just work, man. I worked for Florence City Schools 27 years. I started off working in the cafeteria. I left the cafeteria and went into custodial work and then became the head custodian. Left out of being the head custodian to being over the cleaning services. Then left out of that and went to being over the whole school system as the head custodian of the Florence City Schools. Then later on during life, I got a chance to get up in maintenance.
Steve's a hard worker. He's always willing to jump in and help no matter how small or how difficult the task is. And he does it with a great attitude. He has a great spirit, great attitude in everything that he does. Going back to Mr. McCainey's days as a custodian at Harlan Elementary, he was, the work that he did, he was the standard of what it meant to keep a building clean and looking great. And he's brought that same work ethic, that same commitment to excellence into the maintenance department.
I've enjoyed every minute, every moment of it. I enjoy working and making a clean and safe environment for the kids. That's the main thing.